This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to enter the Google category of settings, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Account Management Center gets loaded, open Data and Privacy section. Then go for the Delete your Google account option at the very bottom of the page. In order to go further, you will need to enter the password to the child's Google account. Then check those two boxes at the bottom, tap the Delete Account option, and well, at this point the parental controls were disabled. Let me quickly prove that to you. So as you can see, there is no Google account linked, and if I will open up parental controls, there will be none. Now the only thing that is left to do is to recover the Google account that we have just deleted, which you can do by signing into Play Store, for example, with it. That's the message that you should get, saying that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Then follow it by entering your Google account password. Most of the times you will get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Just redo the sign in. And as you can see, it lets us through, or lets us to proceed second time around. So just sign into your Google account as you would normally do. And well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.